Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here I will give a tutorial on cooking the easy instant food in the world, namely instant noodle and nugget. The first step is to put the nugget into the pan over low heat. If the nugget is yellowish, remove the nugget and place it on a clean plate. Then boil the instant noodle and add the spices to the plate. Then wait 5 minutes. If the instant noodles are cooked, put the noodle on a plate that already has instant noodle seasoning. Then stir the instant noodle with the seasoning. After that, the noodles are ready to eat. Yum yum yum. Thank you very much. Thanks.